If you done your layout all floor plans, how you can create the sheets. So in this video I will show you the how you can create the sheets. So go in the project browser. Here you will see the sheets. Just right click and make new sheet. You will see here some sheets. If not sheets here, just click in the load, go in the library and choose metric and see here title block. It's called title blocks. Click here, you have sheet here, so you can choose any sheet and open here. So I will open this one. Sheet will be like this, and here if you click double, and you can change here your project name what you need, and here drawing name, anything you can change this one from here. After that you have this sheet. This sheet will be added here automatically, and then you will bring here your layouts. So you have this layout, just click here and drag from here. It will be coming, you can set here. If this one not coming, is showing big, so just click here and go here in the scale. So you have scale 1:75, just click here, you have scale here all, you can select this scale, it will be see small coming. If this one sheet you can create ground floor, first floor, I will bring first floor also, second floor also. See, this is overlap. So what I will do, I will select this one and here make scale 200, it will see more small. So after that you can move like this one. I will bring this second, it will be going here. This very big, if you want to make small, just click here, go here, you can choose scale what you need, here will be go automatically. And if you need little bigger, you want to select scale according to yourself. See, if I select this one, here showing 200 and here 250 this one, but if you want to make your own scale, go in the custom and click here. For example, I need here scale 150, just type and your mouse just bring outside, it will be changed, and then you can set this one, this sheet, and this select again, and you can change here, go in the custom and make here 75, for example 150, sorry 150, and bring mouse outside, it will be go. So any sheet you can create like this sheet, and if you need more sheet, again click here, go in the new sheet, click OK. You will see here sheet 1, 2, you can change this, double click, it will be sheet open, and right click here, you can rename. This is floor plan, for example sheet number 7, you can give number A01, for example drawing number. Here you can change number, name, floor plan or layout like this one, and OK. You will see here it will be changed automatically. Here this new sheet, and you want to make some here view like ceiling plan, just bring here, it will be coming ceiling. See, this ceiling plan is not coming, is very big. So what you will do, just select, and here you can change the scale here, it will be more big. If you make scale is 200, it will go small, and like this one. Secondly, you will see this you coming here, you don't want to see this one, just click here again in this floor, and here go that side, this is floor, go here, just click here 1, 2, and you will see this region, just select and move this one up to this, it will be move automatically remove, and you see it's not coming here. Then go again in the sheet, just click this sheet and remove this one and bring again, see it will be coming like this, and it's not showing. And if you see this is very small, just select and just select this one, and here will be show the scale, you can make scale 100, it will be coming big, again you can set. So like this one you can make the sheets. So now this sheets is one here, 1, 2, you can create many sheets. If you want to make this sheet PDF, so open the sheet, just Control P, it will be show window like this one. Select here Microsoft Print to PDF or anything. After that just click here current view, select here, if I already selected, if you select here it will be showing sheet. Then just click choose the paper size, go here property, you need landscape, paper size A3. Okay, I will make same. Okay, it will be ask you where you want to save. In the desktop I want to save here MMM. It will be save. Now you will see this sheet will be there. This one I open. Now this is sheet for PDF. So like this one you can create the sheets and you can convert to the PDF.